Chief Electoral Officer Fr. Kharkongor on Monday said the Election Commission has made seizures worth over rupees 74 crores during the Model Code of Conduct in the state. Addressing the media in Shillong, Kharkongor said that the war on drugs has been intensified in view of the Model Code of Conduct enforcement in the state. The total seizure during the Election Model Code of Conduct amounted to rupees 74.18 crore, of which the value of cash was rupees 8.71 crore and drugs worth rupees 33.25 crore were seized. Besides this, liquor worth rupees 2.62 crore, precious metals worth rupees 91 lakhs and freebies worth rupees 28.69 crore were also seized from across the state, he added.
The total seizure amounts to 74.18 crores, of which the value of the of cash was 8.71 crores, and of course the lion's share was 33.25 crores. Is a great contribution of the of the election machinery this time that the war on drugs had intensified during this period since MCC was declared, and a record amount of drugs was seized.